Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Black Forest high-flavanol cocoa, a drink mix that claims to boost circulation, support brain health, and improve energy. We tested it daily and have some honest thoughts. This cocoa is packed with flavanols, antioxidants known for supporting blood flow and heart health. Drinking it regularly gave us a nice energy lift without caffeine jitters, and it felt like a healthier alternative to regular cocoa. But here's the catch. The powder clumps easily, doesn't mix smoothly, and can leave gritty residue at the bottom of the cup. The pros are that it delivers real antioxidant benefits, tastes rich and dark, and supports circulation naturally. The cons are the clumping issue, the higher cost compared to normal cocoa, and the fact that you need to drink it consistently to see benefits. Overall, Black Forest high flavanol cocoa is solid for health-conscious cocoa lovers, but it's not perfect, and mixing it properly can be frustrating. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.